Alright guys, we are back with another Gratzfeed snack review. The beard is still heinous. The hair is still way too long. So, anyway, snack review. Now today we have Chips Ahoy Sour Patch Kids cookies. Chips Ahoy Sour Patch Kids cookies. Now, I gotta be honest, my expectations going into these could not be lower, all right? I don't know. Cookies and candy can work. You know, if you have like an M&M in a cookie, that works. You know, Reese's or something like that, Reese's Pieces works. To add sour into a cookie seems a little bizarre to me. That's why we play the game. That's why we're here. Limited edition Chips Ahoy Sour Patch Kids cookies. See. Right. Alright. It's colorful. Looks good. Alright. I am at a loss right now. I know people want me to like explain what it tastes like. These are much better than I expected. I would recommend these. I would have never got these if it wasn't for this stupid review. What does it taste like? I feel like it almost tastes like it's just like a sweet cookie. It's a straight up sweet cookie. They got my mind all fucked up. I don't know what to think. I want to say like they taste like a cereal. The Sour Patch in them actually adds like a little goo, like it's a little gooey. These taste like a cookie version of like a good sweet cereal. I would recommend them. They're good. They're not overly sour. They're just like a good sweet cookie. Chips Ahoy, Sour Patch Kids, gooey in the middle. That's a review.